So good morning dear cadets. So yesterday I introduced you the topic light. Okay. So many things we have studied, like what is light, what are the characteristics of light, okay, what is the reflecting surface or mirror, what do you mean by reflection of light, okay, and not only this one, outline also we have discussed. So dear cadets, there is one important information. There is some technical issue with the extra marks. That is why I could not complete the exercise of previous chapter. As soon as it will be rectified, we'll go and we'll complete those exercise also. So the time being, just let us continue with the chapter number 15, that is the light. Okay. So don't worry, we'll complete that one also. Don't worry, just within 1-2 days that will be rectified. Okay. Now try to understand here. Reflection of light, yesterday we have discussed. So what is the meaning of reflection of light? Changing the direction of light when it falls on the reflecting surface or mirror. That is the reflection of light. Actually the reflection of light is very important for our life. How? Just see. Here one question is given. What makes things visible to us? How we are able to see the things? Okay. Because light falls on that object and that object reflects that light, and that reflected light reach to our eye. That is why we are able to see that object. Okay. So we are able to see the object because of reflection of light by that object. So here answer is written. If object things reflect light and this reflected light should reach to our eyes, hence we can say reflection of light makes things visible to us. Now try to understand. If in dark we are an eye is same, but in dark we are not able to see any object clearly because light is not falling on that object, hence that object is not reflecting the light, and that reflected light is not reaching to us. That is why we are unable to see the things clearly. In the light only we are able to see, because when light falls on that object reflect the light, and reflected light reach to our eye and we are able to see the things or object. So this is the important question. In the box I told, please write down. Okay. Now let us move to the next portion of this unit. Okay. Now try to understand, before moving toward the image, object, types of image, just do one experiment, simple experiment. Try to understand here. Okay. Take one burning candle. Take one burning candle. And just front of burning candle, put one mirror. Put one plain mirror. Okay. What you will see behind the mirror? You will see the image of burning candle. You will see the image of burning candle. Okay. So actually what is the image? It seems that just behind that mirror another candle is burning, but actually another candle is not there. The candle which is burning on the table, their image is formed on the mirror. Okay. So what is the image? Image is nothing but a virtual form of object which appears on reflecting surface or mirror. Actually, what is the image? Virtual form of object, okay, which appears on reflecting surface or mirror. That is known as image. So just see that candle, burning candle, image is formed just behind the mirror. Okay. So that is image. And what is the object? Burning candle is itself an object. Things whose image appears on reflecting surface, that is object. Okay. So the object, I may be object for you, you may be object for me. Okay. Correct or not? So similarly there I took the example of candle, burning candle. So burning candle is their object. Okay. Now how many types of images are there? There are two types of images, real image and virtual image. Okay. Do one thing, just see. First you have taken burning candle, then you have taken mirror, and behind the mirror put one screen. Okay. just try to understand. In the school there are so many screens or not? Extra marks screen is there. Sometime what is there in cyber way or some another places that they are using the movable screens. Okay, so don't worry, screens are not a special thing. There is a coating of one substance, that is zinc sulfide. When light falls on that one, so the objects are visible on that screen. Okay, so try to understand, if you are putting one screen behind the mirror, so now try to understand, some image may appear on that screen also, some image may not appear. So just see, on the basis of use of screen, there are two types of images. Types of image or images. So first one is the real image, an image which can be obtained on a screen, means image which is formed on the reflecting surface or mirror. If same image is obtained on the screen also, so that is known as real image. If image obtained on the reflecting surface cannot be obtained on the screen, that is known as virtual image. So an image which cannot be obtained on screen, that is known as virtual image. There are various types of image, like what is there? Erect image. Then what is there? Invert image. Okay, long image, small image. And just see, these images only will clarify the types of mirror we are using. In some cases, like in plane mirror case, the image size and object size is similar, but same is the not case with the concave and convex mirror. Not only this one, as the object or mirror go close to each other, the size of image may change, may vary. Not only this one, same object image up to certain distance may be erect, and after that distance it may be inverted. Okay, so all those things will study in different types of mirrors or reflecting surface. So okay, dear cadets, so we know mirrors are basically two types. The first one is the plane mirror, second one is the spherical mirror. Under spherical mirror, two are there, concave and convex. So today I am going to teach you the plane mirror. Okay, again here activity should be there. Science is the subject of activity, and extra marks has helped us a lot to conduct all those activities. Now we are helpless. We'll try hard to make the things explain to you, but try to understand. Right now, characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Do one thing, same candle experiment only. Now try to understand the image which is formed on plane mirror, it would be erect. You might have seen the burning candle, that is erect only. Okay. Second one is, it is virtual. Virtual means what is there? Image which is formed on the mirror cannot be obtained on the screen. So it is a virtual image, means image which is formed on the plane mirror, that is virtual image, because it cannot be obtained on the screen. Now if you compare the size of burning candle and image of burning candle which is formed on the plane mirror, you will see it is of the same size as the object. Okay, the size of image formed in the plane mirror would have same size as the object kept in front of mirror. Okay, so size is similar. The another very interesting thing is there, the image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Do one thing, burning candle you kept in front of mirror, plane mirror. Okay, and try to understand, with the help of scale you measure what is the distance between burning candle and mirror. What you will see, the same distance prevail the image which is formed on the plane mirror. Okay, so the distance of object from the mirror and distance of the image from the mirror appears to be the similar. So the image is at the same distance behind the mirror as it is in the front of mirror. Okay, no problem. There is one very interesting phenomenon in plane mirror. Right appears left and left appears right. Try to understand. Just stand in front of plane mirror. Stand in front of plane mirror. Raise your this hand. Raise your left hand. But in image what it would be? It would be as if you have raised your right hand. Correct or not? Similarly, if you raise your right hand, so in the image it appears that your left hand is raised. So in plane mirror what is there? Right appears left and left appears right. Now you might have seen the ambulance. In ambulance, how the ambulance is written? Ambulance is written generally be right from left to right. Suppose I am writing like that, NAME. So how I am writing? I am writing from left to right. Correct or not? So just try to understand if ambulance is written inverted or not. Okay, ambulance is written right, this side to this side, right to left. How ambulance word is written in the ambulance? Just try to understand. Ambulance is written like that. See, AMBULANCE. Okay, it is written like that or not? Ambulance. Okay, so when it appears on the side mirrors of the vehicles, it appears like that. AMBULANCE. Okay, correct or not? So these are the characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. Okay, did you get this one or not? So in a plane mirror, some interesting phenomenon is there. Left appears right and right appears left. Okay, so now in this way the duration of video is over. Now note down certain questions. What are those questions? The first question already you have written. Today only I have told that how things are visible to us. Next one thing, write question number first. What is object? What is object and image? Okay. Next question number 2. What do you mean by real and virtual image? Okay. Next question number 2, question number 3. Write the characteristics of image. Write the characteristics of image. Characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. So I have explained all these things, just you write down. These are your questions and I hope that you can complete this one. So this is today's exercise. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we'll teach the another kind of mirror. Okay, and the characteristics of image formed by those mirrors. Thank you. Okay, so dear cadets, don't worry about those exercise. those exercise I will complete, just give me some time.